That news article was interesting, and I just got paid. Hey, what's going on, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to read news. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to read news. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I'm not going to take all day. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this right now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how to get paid to read news. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the Google Play Store. And I'll tell you the name of this app in the minute. Okay, basically what you're going to be doing is getting paid to read the news with this app. So it says here, buzz breaking news, loved by users, very informative and addictive app, love it, is one user said about this app. And it said earn real cash. So you're going to be earning real cash with this app. And one user said it's actually paying and you cash out easily. So let's just go ahead and read a little bit about this app. Okay, the name of this app is BuzzBreak. So it says BuzzBreak is a news app that shows you popular news from the internet. You can also earn points, redeem them for cash. So the rewards. Users can earn points while using BuzzBreak by claiming free points for reading, daily check-in, and inviting friends to join BuzzBreak. Users can only get free points for up to 50 times per day. So you can get free points up to 50 times per day when you're reading the news on this app. So it says here on payout, you can cash out your earnings via PayPal and other method of payments. So you can cash out through PayPal with this app. And let's read a little bit more. Let me scroll down here. And here's something that's important for you people out here that try to cheat this app. They said for people who try to cheat our apps, use auto clicker to gain the system, we reserve the rights to freeze your payouts and close your accounts. So guys out there that know about the auto clicker apps, do not use that, because this app can detect that and won't allow that. Okay, now let's look at the rating for this app. The rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars. That's pretty good. Anything that's over 4.2, just over 4 period, is a good app to use. Okay, let's go ahead and read some of these reviews here. Got a lot of good reviews from people. I'm able to get multiple payouts and it is fast. You can't really depend on it to make income. They're probably saying not to make a lot of income, but additional money is not bad. It helps me add funds to my Gcash account, and I can use those saved credits when I really need to. It is like I'm saying It's like I'm it's like I'm saving up money on my piggy bank. It is also very informative. So this person is very happy using this app, and they are saying you're not going to make a full-time income doing this, but you can make some extra money that you will need at any time. And they do pay out real fast. So you can read some of the other reviews once you go to the Google Play Store and check out this app. So the full name of this app is Buzz Break News, Buzz News, and Earn Free Cash. And this is on the Google Play, and I don't believe it's on in the Apple App Store. So I'm sorry, iPhone users, only for Android users. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna say about this app. So go ahead and try it out and see if you can make some money. Okay, now you know the app you can download right now and start getting paid to read news. So go ahead and download that app and let's start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you check in the description below and scroll down where you see free giveaways. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit that little subscribe button until it turns gray. And then once you subscribe, just scroll down there, click on that link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom of that website, and you're going to see 3 free gifts. And that's from me to you guys. You can download that, and those 3 free gifts was gonna benefit you on your road to being financially free and making money online. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you click away from this video, don't forget to hit that like button and help me get to 100 likes, because it really does help my channel and help my video. And please drop a comment down below and tell me if you have any questions that you want to ask about this video. Just drop that in the comments below, and also drop a creative comment, because sometimes I do shout outs, and if I see a comment that really interests me, I will shout you out in my next video. So please drop a creative comment down in the comments below. And please share this on the internet and social media everywhere, because I truly want to help people make money online and become financially free so they become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you, Grind family. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting me, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. One more thing before I leave: get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace, peace, peace. Yes, it's here. Go cop the new app grind gear right now. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies in all different colors. On sale right now at the app grind store. Go cop yours right now. Don't hesitate. Click on the link in the description or the bio.